friends. Welcome to the knowledge series powered by Spandan Arts Creative Studio. Spandan Arts brings to you the most amazing facts of this planet about the universe, the birds, the animals, and many more. To be the first one to know about such interesting facts and knowledge, please subscribe to our channel. So, let's dive in. Delightful facts about dolphins. Dolphins are excellent nappers. Since dolphins can't breathe underwater, they need to swim up to the ocean surface to get air. So how do they sleep without drowning? Essentially, dolphins are champion power nappers. Rather than sleep for several hours at a time, they rest one hemisphere of their brain for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. And they take these naps several times each day. Dolphins communicate with clicks and whistles. Dolphins communicate with one another underwater by making a variety of vocalizations. They find prey and navigate the ocean. They make clicking sounds and they speak to other dolphins by whistling. Dolphins also produce a loud burst pulse sound when they feel excited or aggressive, such as when they need to scare off a nearby shark. Do you know dolphin language remains a mystery? Although marine scientists have studied and recorded dolphins' vocalizations for decades, many aspects of the animal's language and how they communicate are still unknown. Also, dolphins use echolocation to navigate. To know where they are in relation to other objects and animals, dolphins use echolocation, which is a biological sonar. Besides helping dolphins evade predators, echolocation allows them to track, catch, eat fish and squid. Dolphins make friends with other dolphins. Dolphins are highly social, and scientists are still discovering fascinating details about how the aquatic mammals socialize with one another. Instead of spending equal time with the dolphins around them, the animals actually segregate themselves into friend groups. Just like humans, dolphins seem to prefer the company of certain peers more than others. Each dolphin responds to its own name. Wow! Dolphins aren't swimming around with name tags, but every dolphin has its own unique whistle. Scientists believe that dolphins use these signature whistles for life. And female dolphins may even teach their calves their whistles before they're born. There are 44 different dolphin species. Although bottlenose dolphins are the most well-known and recognizable, there are 43 other dolphin species. Most species live in temperate and tropical oceans, but a few live in colder oceans or rivers. Largest dolphin species, the okra, also called the killer whale, can be 30 feet long, 10 times longer than the smallest dolphins. Also, dolphins don't use their teeth to chew food. Dolphins have teeth, but they don't use their chompers to chew food. Instead, dolphins use their teeth to catch prey, like fish, crustaceans, and squid, and swallow it whole. Dolphins typically give birth to just one calf. Depending on their species, most female dolphins, called cows, carry their babies for 9 to 17 months before giving birth to a calf. Interestingly, calves are born with tail first rather than head first, so they don't drown during birthing process. A dolphin's skin can be regenerated every 2 hours. If you have ever swum with dolphins, you know the skin looks and feels super smooth and slick. There is a reason for that. A dolphin's epidermis, that is the outer layer of the skin, can be scuffed off and replaced with new skin cells as often as every 2 hours. You know the threats to dolphins? Some dolphin species are endangered and functionally extinct, like the China's Baiji dolphin, due to hunting, overfishing, and population. Although dolphin meat is high in mercuries, the animals are still hunted for their meat and eaten in parts of Japan and the Faroe Islands of Denmark. Overfishing means the dolphins' food sources are shrinking, and some dolphins get caught up in fishing nets and die. A superpod can consist of more than 1,000 dolphins. Whoa! Dolphins live in groups called pods that typically contain dozens or hundreds of dolphins. By swimming in a pod, dolphins work together to hunt prey, evade predators, and care for sick or injured members. But different pods can also merge, forming a superpod of more than 1,000 dolphins. And what is the lifespan of each dolphin? In captivity, dolphins live to the age of 61. However, dolphin lifespan varies greatly by species. Most dolphins in the wild live for a few decades, while those in captivity have a drastically reduced lifespan and may live for only a few years. Nellie, the bottlenose dolphin, who lived in a marine entertainment park in Florida, was born in 1953. She appeared on a TV show and commercials and performed tricks for the park's attendees before passing away in 2014.